Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me, a person who has a Renault with a gasoline engine. The engine runs fine, but when it breaks, the engine tends to stop, and it is doing that continuously, so it has been taken to its workshop, and in the workshop they have inserted the diagnostic machine, and the DF080 fault has come out, and he said that they have to change the camshaft timing solenoid, and he asks what part are they referring to? Let's see. Here we have one. It's a Renault Megane 1616 valves. I recorded this a while ago. Their DF080 appears, in this case it says, camshaft shifter circuit, open circuit. In others it may appear as camshaft phase shifter, okay? And this refers to this part. Here it is already changed. There is no problem to change it, it's very simple. This piece is inserted, look, right on image of the oil cap, there it goes. You just have to unscrew the connector and loosen the screw, put the other solenoid in and then put it in the diagnostic machine to erase the fault, and the problem is solved. It takes almost no time in doing this operation. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.